Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a fairly common fault code that can pop up on your car's dashboard. C0040, which indicates a malfunction in the right front wheel speed circuit. Now, this code can be caused by a few different things, so in this video we're going to dive into the most likely culprits. We'll also show you how to diagnose the problem yourself using a few simple tools, and of course, we'll walk you through the repair process step by step. So, if you're experiencing issues with your ABS system or your speedometer, and you're seeing the C0040 code, then this video is for you. Let's get started. The fault code C0040 indicates a malfunction in the right front wheel speed sensor circuit. This sensor is responsible for monitoring the speed of the right front wheel and sending this information to the ABS, anti-lock braking system, module. When this sensor malfunctions, the ABS system may not function properly, potentially leading to reduced braking performance and increased stopping distances. Several factors can contribute to the C0040 fault code, including damaged or faulty wheel speed sensor. The sensor itself may be damaged or malfunctioning, preventing it from sending accurate speed information to the ABS module. Damaged wiring or connectors. The wiring or connectors associated with the wheel speed sensor may be damaged, causing an interruption in the signal transmission. Corrosion or debris buildup. Corrosion or debris buildup on the sensor or its connector can interfere with the signal and lead to the C0040 code. Damaged tone ring. The tone ring is a toothed wheel located near the wheel speed sensor that helps the sensor measure the wheel's speed. Damage to the tone ring can disrupt the sensor's ability to accurately measure speed. ABS module malfunction. In rare cases, the ABS module itself may be malfunctioning, causing it to misinterpret the signal from the wheel speed sensor. Several symptoms may indicate the presence of the C0040 fault code, including illuminated ABS warning light. The ABS warning light on the dashboard will typically illuminate when the C0040 code is present. Reduced braking performance. The ABS system may not function properly, potentially leading to reduced braking performance and increased stopping distances. Erratic ABS activation. The ABS system may activate unexpectedly or erratically due to the faulty wheel speed sensor. Speedometer malfunction. The speedometer may not function correctly or may display inaccurate readings. Diagnosing the C0040 fault code involves a systematic approach to identify the root cause of the problem. Here are some steps you can follow. Start by connecting an OBD2 scanner to your vehicle's diagnostic port. The scanner will retrieve the C0040 code and provide additional information, such as the specific sensor or circuit affected. Visually inspect the right front wheel speed sensor for any visible damage, such as cracks, breaks, or loose connections. Also, check the tone ring for any damage or debris buildup. Ensure that all electrical connections associated with the wheel speed sensor are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. Use a multimeter to test the resistance of the wheel speed sensor. The sensor should have a specific resistance value within the manufacturer's specifications. Worn or damaged wheel bearings can sometimes cause issues with the wheel speed sensor signal. Inspect the wheel bearings for excessive play or noise. The ABS system uses relays to control the power to the wheel speed sensors. Check the relays associated with the right front wheel speed sensor for proper operation. Carefully inspect the wiring harness for the right front wheel speed sensor for any damage, breaks, or shorts. While driving, use the OBD2 scanner to monitor the real-time data from the wheel speed sensors. The data should show a consistent and plausible speed reading for the right front wheel. In rare cases, the ABS module itself may be malfunctioning. Testing the ABS module requires specialized equipment and should be performed by a qualified mechanic. Refer to your vehicle's repair manual for specific troubleshooting steps and procedures related to the C0040 fault code. By following these steps, you can systematically diagnose the cause of the C0040 fault code and determine the appropriate repair solution. Remember, if you are unsure about any of the steps or lack the necessary tools and expertise, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for assistance. The wheel speed sensor is responsible for sending information about the wheel's speed to the ABS module. If the sensor is faulty, it can cause code C0040 to be triggered. Inspect the sensor for damage and clean any debris that may be interfering with its operation. If the sensor is damaged beyond repair, it will need to be replaced. The electrical circuit that connects the wheel speed sensor to the ABS module needs to be in good condition for the sensor to function properly. Check the wiring for any breaks, shorts, or corrosion. Repair or replace any damaged wiring as needed. Worn or damaged wheel bearings can also cause code C0040. Inspect the wheel bearings for excessive play or noise. If the bearings are worn, they will need to be replaced. The relays that control the ABS system can also fail, causing code C0040. Check the relays for proper operation and replace any that are faulty. In some cases, the ABS module itself may be faulty and need to be repaired or replaced. This is a more complex repair that should be performed by a qualified mechanic. Once the repairs have been made, the error codes need to be cleared from the ABS module. This can be done using a scan tool. After clearing the error codes, take the vehicle for a test drive to verify that the repairs have been successful and the code does not reappear. If you are not comfortable performing these repairs yourself, it is best to consult a qualified mechanic. They will be able to diagnose the problem and perform the necessary repairs. The vehicle's manual will contain specific instructions on how to diagnose and repair code C0040. Be sure to follow these instructions carefully. This code is considered to be a high-level repair difficulty. It is recommended that a professional mechanic perform the repairs.